Module 9 is going to be helpful tips. Each software license purchase comes with 3 installations. This is if you have more than one device, like if you have a desktop and a laptop. For when you do download the software on multiple devices, the downside is that you have to re-enter the natives. However, you can import the databases as well as the layouts. I don't have that tutorial in this course, but it is listed on the FAQ page. I think I went over that quickly in one part. If you want to download the software onto your laptop, go through the same process and buy crossover again. After you create a new bottle on your second device, upload the installer file from the Vedic software website, get the installation code, and use that to retrieve your second registration code from the vedicsoftware.com website. So don't remove the software from crossover and reinstall it if you think you made a mistake, because you will end up wasting a registration code. If you travel a lot and want to make sure you have the software on hand, I would suggest downloading it onto a laptop instead of a desktop. You do have 3 downloads though, or 3 registration pulls, I should say, or registration keys. Remember back in the day when we had Microsoft Office and we used to get the CDs and the keys in the back, and sometimes the keys could only be used 3 times. This reminds me a lot like that. All right, I think I can go to the next slide. Taking a formal Vedic astrology course will help you get good with the software. I suggest thoroughly learning Vedic astrology with a comprehensive course before interpreting charts for small business. If your software did not install correctly, please visit the FAQ page for the software on the next slide. You could also email customer service if you do not find your answers there, and they email back very quickly. That is a plus. This is a Vedic school recommendation that I have. It's called Maga Vedic Astrology Academy. The name of the course for the Jyotish Vedic astrology course is called Vedic Astrology Simplified Course. It's 100% online. You can take it at your own pace. It's a comprehensive course, and the professor has, I think, well over 10 years of experience. If you are into like watching astrology videos online or even tarot readings, you're going to love taking this school, because I think there's about 50 modules, and every module you're honestly learning about yourself. It's kind of like, for me, it felt like I was getting a personal reading every time I'd open one up. It was really fun taking it. I recommend this course, and by the time you're finished with it, you'll be able to navigate the software a little easier. If you get stuck or have any questions, you can email support@vedicsoftware.com. And this is the website address for the FA Software's FAQ section. And there are software videos. And there's also a website for crossover. I hope you enjoyed this course. Please send me an email if you have any questions. I wish you luck in your studies with Vedic astrology. I hope you can grow, heal, and guide yourself and others. Thank you.